Good morning, 7th graders. I'm going to quickly go over today's first assignment about primary and secondary sources and share with you the expectations Mr. Reynolds and I have about this assignment. So when you click the link in the assignment attachments, it'll bring you to your own copy of this document here. The directions tell you to write the words from the word bank under the correct place in the table right here. So you have 12 sources listed in the table up above in these 4 columns right here. These are your 12 sources. So for example, start with textbook. If you believe a textbook is a primary source, you're going to put it in this table right here. If you believe that the textbook is a secondary source, you're going to put it in the secondary source column. There are right and wrong answers to this document. Every one of these sources, every one of the 12 sources, is either a primary source or a secondary source. If you're having a difficult time trying to figure out which source it is, look back to your notes. All the answers are in the notes today. If you have any further questions, you can join me for office hours today, which are posted in the Schoology updates in your American Studies course, or you can always email me or Mr. Reynolds.